I want to get
Oh my gosh, it's awesome.
Look at
Is it? It's a game. It's called Boggle Junior. You learn to spell with the games. Or with the...
And I had it in the place.
Oh, you did? Oh, cool. Superman shirts.
That's awesome.
Daddy, look at I had this in the places class.
Oh wow, did you?
That's...
It tells you the letters. See?
Okay.
It tells you.
You will have to play that tonight after school.
Okay. I had the regular video camera.
I know, but that's more Christmas.
What is this?
What is
Markers. Crayons?
it? No.
What is it?
Hi.
Do you like them?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, those are cool looking.
Okay, that one and that one and that one. Oh wait, that one. A laser game, Molly.
Cool.
Don't open mine.
One more, look right there. Your last one
Daddy
here.
Wally. Daddy Wally.
Are you serious?
Wally
Oh my
game.
gosh.
God, he's being really nice to you guys.
I like. This is a shirt.
You're right. I probably should have done the regular.
This is our shirt.
You think?
Spider-Man movie.
Oh my gosh.
That's a fake one.
It's a fake Spider-Man? No,
It's
it's a cartoon.
I'm gonna put it like
Okay, hold on. What's that?
I told you. Yay! SpongeBob.
Is it SpongeBob?
And I can fight you with my Superman suit.
Is it SpongeBob?
Let's see.
Yeah.
No, it's Phineas and Ferb.
Oh yeah.
I saw the yellow thing too. I almost said SpongeBob too.
Cool. What do you say to Saint Nick?
Thank you.